Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pokegemz. Another fun, easy art tutorial. Guys, I'm going to teach you about shading, I'm going to teach you about 3D, I'm going to make this drawing look like it's coming off your paper with easy instructions. But guys, before we get started, please make sure to hit subscribe. Guys, turn on those notifications, that way you won't miss out on any future videos. Alright guys, this one we're going to start with pencil like I always do. I always like to use pencil, nice and easy to erase. Guys, on a regular white piece of paper, you're going to basically make a cross 4 inches by 4 inches, marking the middle. And then you're going to connect the corners. So you should end up basically pretty much with a square that is 3 inches on either side. Super nice and easy. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down 4 inches on every single side here. So 4 inches, 4 1/4, it's up to you guys. Really doesn't matter, just basically whatever you like, you know, whatever size your paper is, but come down the same amount. From there guys, you're gonna mark off 1/2 inch on either side because we're kind of drawing a house. Guys, now here, be creative. You don't have to do the same design as I did. The only reason why I did this design is I wanted to show you how we're going to leave some of it darker, some of it lighter, some of it we're going to put like a brick pattern down. We can make a door, a window. Guys, definitely be creative. Come down the same amount on either side is basically pretty much the key here. And then in this area, I'm going to make one more line here. And maybe I'll do almost like a brick pattern here. So just kind of draw some lines going up and down. Guys, like I said, it really doesn't matter. And then on the bottom here, just to make it look even a little more different, I'm going to do 3 sections, maybe by 1/4 inch or even smaller than that. And then I will add some lines here too to also give it that brick pattern, just to kind of make this look like a brick tower, brick house, whatever you guys want to call it. Alright, let's go ahead and add a door right here, guys. You can add some windows. Maybe let's separate this door in the middle and make a little handle right here. Guys, that's pretty much basically it for that. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go over pretty much everything with a dark Sharpie marker. Guys, as you noticed on top, the only thing that I did not go over was those original 2 lines. Now, the only reason why I made those original 2 lines is just to give me a perfect square, because obviously if we start with 2 lines that are the same length, you know, and we connect the corners, we'll have a perfect square there. So we're basically going to go over everything besides that, and then at the end we'll take those original pencil lines and we'll erase those. And that's why you guys have seen on my other drawings why I almost always start with pencil, guys, because it's so much easier to erase. Alright, now let's give this drawing some shading, some different colors. Like I said, guys, feel free to do whatever you feel, you know, with the colors. I'm using my shading pencil, my charcoal pencil, and my smudging cloth, and maybe I'm gonna do every other one here just to kind of give it that effect, just to show you guys the difference in colors. I'm also gonna remind you here that the charcoal pencil is super easy to erase, guys, so don't worry if you go over too much. Go ahead and erase it. Use your ruler kind of as an edge as you're erasing, guys, and that just makes it so really nice and easy. Alright, the next thing I will do is maybe every other one here I will color with my dark Sharpie. Again, guys, use other colors, use different colors, use some reds, maybe use some blues. In my case, I'm just going to use these 2 colors just to kind of show you what we're going to do here. Alright guys, once we are done with that, the last thing that our little house project here needs is maybe a shadow. So picture that we've got kind of a sunlight on the upper left hand side and it's throwing a shadow on the right. What I'm going to do with my shadow, same thing guys, use my charcoal pencil. I'm going to smudge it a little bit here. You can make this a little bit lighter, make it a little bit darker, but basically I think that should give us a pretty good shadow here. Alright guys, once you're done with your shadow, take a long ruler and then across the top here you're going to draw a line, because this is going to be your guideline where you're going to cut the paper. And then take some scissors, guys. If you are under 18, ask a parent if you can use some scissors, or have somebody cut this out. Be careful with scissors. But go ahead and cut this out right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut along the line and then ending it at the top of the house. And then that way, when we put this down kind of on another piece of paper, this is the part that's going to look like it's really coming off the paper right here. I chose to do it on a blue background. You could do it on anything. And you see how when your camera comes off, and just visually, this is why we call this an optical illusion, because just seeing that shadow, seeing the camera angle, literally looks like it's 3D. Guys, if you liked this project, please don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I do post there every single day, guys. Check out my website, pokegemz.com. Also, guys, please don't forget, if you haven't done so, subscribe to this channel. I have lots of other projects. We do live programs here every single day, guys, and I will definitely see you on the next one.